Ahmed, back with you again on camera. It is always a pleasure. But what we're going to
Likewise.
discuss today is we're looking at Master Fluid Solutions. But that wasn't always the name, was it? You went by another name that a lot of customers know you by.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have decades of customers basically knowing us as Master Chemical Corporation. Even now, I mean, you go to conferences, your meetings, and things like that. People just automatically say Master Chemical or Master Chemical Corporation, and that's the company that Clyde established, and we. Sort of existed as for many, many years. And I joined the company 2016, 2017, we were basically doing a global analysis, and it turned out that across the world, our company was known as many different, by many different names. So there wasn't a common brand identity. We had grown over this time across the world into Europe, into Asia, into China. But there wasn't a common identity tying all the individual pieces together. We didn't have a common brand color or a name. And in many parts of the world, the word chemical had some very strong negative connotations. In fact, in our India facility, we were not allowed to be in the manufacturing park that we are in if we had the word chemical in our name. And so there were lots of these kind of challenges. And that was one piece of it. The other piece of this was Master had also grown over since its founding into having a very broad range of products that we offered our customers, and we were really thinking about the whole entire solution. And, part of that solution is the trim, the beloved trim brand, which is in the cutting piece of it. But then we have Master Stages, which is about what happens after the part is cut. And so we have, parts cleaner, cleaning fluids. We have rust preventatives and corrosion preventatives. And then, we have fluid maintenance equipment, Zybex, with the Zybex line, Scrounger and yellow-bellied sump sucker and things like that. So, these are these wonderful brand names that we had. And in reality, what we wanted to really convey to our present customers and to the future customers was that we bring a total solution to the market, right? And we are focused on fluids. We don't get distracted from our core business of fluids, but really, our solution approach is that we will do and we will find the right solution for the customer. And if the right solution for the customer is to go out and find another company that has the right product, right equipment to solve the customer's issue, we will go and do that. And so we've expanded our Zybex program quite a bit since then, included some very strong industry partners, industry players, so that we can bring a total fluid solution to the market. And so that kind of sort of automatically kind of created a baseline for the new name. So Master Fluid Solution really just describes, the history of the master, the fluid part, which is our core business, and the solution, which is what we provide to the customer. So, really very happy to have this whole trio of value proposition to our customers and to our channel partners. And I'm also really excited about this common global color. Now you can go anywhere in the world and see this trim, this drum, and know that you're getting the best that is out there.
Very, very well said. I think you've answered all of my questions. However, for those of you watching, if you have more questions, reach out to Ahmed. This is Master Fluid Solutions. This is where you go to, global leader. Ahmed, thank you so much for sharing this information. I imagine you're going to get a few phone calls now.
Not a problem. Look forward to them.